What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects, and they are at the very early stage, so they're very early projects that I'm keeping my eye on. I'm not sure exactly how they're gonna do, but I'm gonna try to get a whitelist spot to mint and maybe flip instantly. Before I'm gonna show you the project, I just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Fridge Fame, and as you can see, they only have almost 3,000 followers, and they've joined on January, so very early project. They're getting decent engagement. I think this one got quite a bit of like as due to premium link. This was part of the requirement, but I think still this one has a decent potential. Then the second project, it's called Fellas NFT, allow list equals free mint, so it's another free mint. They only have 815 followers, so I think again this one is also going to be very easy to get a whitelist spot. Just follow them on Twitter, turn your notifications on, engage with their Twitter posts, and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot like that. And then the third project, it's called Fellas NFT, free mint, and looks like the collection is going to be 7/4/20, and they have 4,200 followers on their Twitter account. Again, this is a very new and early project. They joined in January, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interaction on their Twitter posts, and like this one right here, not a whole lot, but maybe it's a good thing, and maybe this is actually a chance to get a whitelist spot for this project as well. I'm not exactly sure how they're gonna do, but I'm gonna be keeping my eye on and hopefully get a whitelist spot. And this is it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave link in the description below. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.